Common English mistakes learners make.
and how to fix them.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm good, and I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too.
Today we are talking about common English mistakes that many learners make.
And more important than mistakes, we'll talk about how to fix them.
Yes, because mistakes are normal.
Exactly. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not learning.
So don't feel bad. Don't feel shy.
Let's learn together.
Section 1. He goes, she go instead of he goes, she goes. Let's start with a very common mistake. People say, he go to school every day.
Yes, I know this one already. But correct English is, he goes to school every day.
In English, when we talk about he, she, it, we add s to the verb.
Many learners forget this because in their language, maybe the verb doesn't change.
Yes. So they say she like tea, or he play football.
The fix is simple. Remember this small rule. He, she, it plus verb plus s.
Let's practice. She liked chocolate.
She likes chocolate.
He work at a bank.
He works at a bank.
It rain a lot here.
It rains a lot here.
See? Small change, big difference.
Yes, and with practice it becomes natural. Section 2, using of articles a, an and the.
Another common mistake is with articles a and the.
Yes, many students say, I have car instead of I have a car.
Or they say, I went to the school when they mean just school in general.
Let's make it simple. Use a or and d talking about something not specific.
For example, I want a pen, any pen, not a special one.
She is an engineer.
Use the when both people know what you are talking about.
Like, please close the door. We both know which door.
Or I saw the movie we talked about.
Many students forget articles or use them randomly.
The fix.
Ask yourself, is this thing specific?
If yes, use the. If not, use a or an. Section 3. I am agree vs I agree.
Oh, this one is very common.
Yes, many learners say, I am agree.
But the correct sentence is, I agree.
Because agree is already a verb.
We don't need am here.
Same with, I am understand. I understand. I am know. I know.
The fix.
Just remember, agree is a verb, not an adjective.
So say, I agree with you. Section 4. I am studying English since 2 years.
Another mistake is with since and for.
Students say, I am studying English since 2 years.
But correct English is, I have been studying English for 2 years.
Or, in simple English, I have studied English for 2 years.
Use for plus period of time for 2 years, for 3 months, for a week. Since plus starting point since 2020, since Monday, since morning.
Example,
Sure, I have lived here for 5 years.
I have worked here since 2020.
Small words, big meaning.
And big mistakes if we get them wrong.
Section 5. People is vs people are. Let's talk about plural nouns.
Some words look singular but are plural.
Like the word people.
Many learners say, people is happy,
Correct form is, people are happy.
because people already means more than one person.
Same with children are. Police are.
The fix is to remember, don't add s to people.
And always use a plural verb with it.
Section 6. Direct translation from your language. One of the biggest mistakes is thinking in your language first.
Yes, students translate word by word.
Then sentences sound strange, not natural.
For example, close the light from many languages. Correct English is, turn off the light.
Or, I am going to home. I am going home.
The fix.
Learn phrases, not single words.
Learn, turn off the light, go home, take a shower, make a mistake.
Don't ask, why is it like this?
Ask, how do native speakers say it? Section 7. Very, for everything. Another mistake, using very too much.
Very happy, very big, very tired, very hungry.
Yes, always very.
You can use stronger words instead.
For example, very hungry, starving. Very tired, exhausted. Very big, huge.
But at A2 to B1 level, using very is okay.
Yes, but try sometimes to use new words.
That will grow your vocabulary. Section 8. Pronunciation mistakes.
Many learners pronounce letters how they are written.
But English spelling is crazy sometimes.
Yes, for example, vegetable is vegetable, not vegetable. Comfortable is comfortable, not comfortably.
Also silent letters. No, the K is silent. Right, the W is silent. Climb, the B is silent.
The fix.
Listen more than you read.
Use audio, podcasts, movies.
Repeat after speakers. This is called shadowing.
Section 9. Much vs many. Another common grammar problem. Much vs many.
Students mix them all the time.
Simple rule. Many equals countable, apples, books, people. Much equals uncountable, water, sugar, money.
Examples. I have many friends.
She doesn't drink much coffee.
How many books do you have?
How much time do we have?
Practice will make it easy. Section 10. Being afraid to speak.
I think the biggest mistake is not grammar.
Yes, it is fear.
Learners are afraid to speak.
They think, what if I make a mistake?
But mistakes are teachers.
If you don't speak, you can't improve.
The fix is simple. Speak a little every day. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Don't wait to be perfect.
Fluency comes from speaking, not only studying.
Key phrases with meanings. I agree.
I think the same as you.
Turn off the light, switch the light off. Go home.
Return to your house
Make a mistake, do something incorrectly.
since 2020. From 2020 until now,
For 2 years, for a duration of 2 years.
he goes, she goes. Present simple with he, she, it.
People are plural form of person.
Learn from mistakes. Improve after errors.
Think in English, don't translate from your language.
Shadowing. Repeating after a speaker.
Real life example from daily life.
Speak with confidence. Speak without fear.
Natural English, the way native speakers really talk.
Short sentences. Simple, easy sentences. Practice questions. Write 3 sentences using he, she, it, plus verb, plus s. Correct this sentence.
People is very friendly here. Fill in the blanks.
I have lived here, blank 5 years. I have worked here, blank 2022. I have joined this company, 2026. They have gone, morning. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Champions.
New episodes are coming with simple, real English you can use every day.
Join our learning family and keep improving your English with us. See you in the next episode.